Fires are fast, amazingly fast. They can build from a spark to a blaze in just a few seconds. Even the smallest and harmless looking fire turns deadly if left unchecked. And the longer it is kept unchecked, the faster it will grow till it is completely out of control, causing enormous damage, not sparing one's life, loved ones and possessions. Automatic systems are costly and require extensive installation with routine maintenance checkups causing structural damage. Besides, for most organizations, this process can disturb daily activities, costing dearly. Many of the apartments, offices, shops, hospitals, warehouses, malls and factories that were gutted by fire most probably had fire extinguishers installed. The reason for this shocking incident is that even the most advanced firefighting equipment is greatly hampered when there is nobody around to respond quickly or properly trained to use them. In a real-life scenario, most of the times, the first reaction on discovering a fire is panic. By the time the alarm is raised and an extinguisher is carried to the site, the fire has probably grown too big, too powerful to be put out by an ordinary extinguisher. Not to worry, now there is FCO. FCO is the next generation of fire extinguishing apparatus, which is light in weight, compact in size, and extremely easy to use. FCO starts working at lightning speed when it comes in contact with fire, extinguishing the fire before it can grow. The FCO consists of a synthetic chamber filled with a very high-quality biodegradable water-based fire extinguishing fluid that is not harmful to humans, animals, or the environment and is ozone-friendly. A tube is fitted to the chamber filled with an activating agent attached to a quick burning fuse which is wrapped around the chamber in such a fashion that it covers maximum area. As soon as the fuse comes into contact with fire, the chamber splits open with an alarming sound. For a couple of seconds, all oxygen in and around the base of the fire is removed, and as a result of which the fire is fought immediately. The fire extinguishing fluid that has been transformed into steam drops the temperature immediately, while the special substance forms a blanket over the base of fire, not allowing the fire to reignite. The entire process happens in a few seconds. The synthetic residuals can be collected easily and fully recycled. Installing FCO is very simple. There is absolutely no wiring and ducting involved in the installation of FCO. Neither you have to spend on construction or demolition. All you have to do is place FCO in risky areas which are more prone to catch fire. The FCO is self-activating, easy to use, small and lightweight, immediate action on contact with fire for fires inside and outside. FCO is designed to be used automatically as well as manually. FCO is safe to use on all types of fires and is electrically non-conductive. The FCO can be used in a large variety of situations, both in active and passive modes, like fires in homes, offices, shops, multiplexes, shopping malls, hotels, hospitals, workshops, automobiles, boats and ships, as well as cattle and storage sheds, petrol pumps, warehouses, factories. As the product is self-activating, it is very suitable for immediately fighting fires which start in unguarded areas. FCO mounted at strategic points around your premises stay on alert 24/7 to ensure that a fire is fought before a spark becomes a flame. Riots are no exception. When vehicles and property is set ablaze, often it is the police who comes first to the scene. Police forces carrying FCO can fight the situation very easily in just seconds. Car fires are one big threat. Until the engine fire is noticed, it has already caused huge damage. Small space and many people makes buses potentially dangerous. With FCO, it is possible to protect your automobiles by installing an FCO inside the engine compartment and by installing an additional unit near the driver to be used for active firefighting. Freight trucks and containers installed with FCO protect cargo load. With fire extinguishers and smoke detectors, the rate of malfunctioning is very high, causing serious consequences in a life-threatening situation of fire. FCO does not have any mechanical or electronic parts and is designed to work even on the last day of its shelf life. With FCO, there is never a false alarm. All the maintenance required for FCO is just a visible inspection for wear and tear of the product. FCO is built to be fast, powerful and totally reliable. In the time any other system takes to get activated and ready to fight a fire, FCO has already put out the fire. Register on our website www.fireseesout.com for a free audit conducted by our trained fire consultants to determine how many FCOs you need and where they should be placed. Choose life, choose FCO.